Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DrySteam. In this video, I'm going to outline the routine maintenance that DrySteam recommends for the XT and XTR electrode steam humidifier. Be sure to review all guidelines, warnings, and cautions in the IOM before you begin your work on site. Typically, a standard maintenance visit for the XT and XTR humidifier will take about 2 to 3 hours. Unit size, location, and other factors may affect the amount of time required. Tools and supplies you will need: screwdrivers, and of course the XT series IOM for detailed information on how to perform the maintenance tasks. First, follow this cool-down procedure. In the VaporLogic keypad display main menu, select Status and press Enter. Select Mode and press Enter. Then select Drain and press Enter. Let the steam cylinder drain for 5 to 10 minutes. Drain water is automatically tempered when drain water tempering is selected. Close field install manual supply water shutoff valve and allow cylinder to drain. Follow shutdown procedures in the IOM and disconnect power. Inspect the steam cylinder. Fill in drain valves, steam hose, tubing, or piping to dispersion, supply water and drain piping, airflow proving switch, and duct high limit. When check cylinder appears in the messages log after extended operation, the humidifier will continue to run, but the cylinder must be replaced to ensure optimum output. Before you head out to the site, here are some things that you should verify: that the unit can be shut down long enough for scheduled maintenance to be completed, and that the maintenance location for the unit is clear, with clearances as shown in the IOM. Hours of operation and duty cycle will determine your maintenance schedule, as will water quality. Now you are ready to perform routine maintenance of the XT and XTR electrode steam humidifier. Taking time to plan and perform maintenance on a regular schedule will keep the equipment up and running at peak performance for many years.